loves, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Show Love, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. So today we're going to be learning how to remove a background from an image in 3 different ways. So the first way you can remove a background is going to Lunapic. And once you're there, you'll go to Upload on the left side. You'll choose your file and upload it. Once you upload your image, you'll come to a screen just like this. You go up to the top and select Transparent. From there, you can see that it removed the background but not the white on the inside of the circle. So what we'll do is we'll go up to Mode and we'll change that to Transparent Color. Select Apply. And now the white is completely gone all over. So from here, you'll just hit Save, and then it'll automatically download your PNG file for you. So the next way that you can remove a background from an image is going to PowerPoint. Once you're in PowerPoint, you go to Insert, Picture, and then upload your image. So from here, I'm going to change the background so that you're able to see that white in the picture better. So from here, you'll select your picture. You go to Picture Format, and then you go over to the left to remove background. Almost selected everything, but not quite. So we'll go over to the left and select Mark Areas to Keep. And then you'll just drag a line across the areas you want to keep. Once you've selected all the areas that you want to keep, you just go to Keep Changes, and there you have it. The white is completely gone. After that, you will right click, go down to Save as Picture, give your picture a title. Make sure the type says PNG and select Save. So the last way that you can remove a background from an image is through Paint 3D. So if you have a Windows-based computer, then you will be able to use this option as well. So once you're in Paint 3D, you go to Menu, Insert your picture. Once you have your picture inserted, you go over to the right and select Magic Select. So from here, you'll just drag the corners in. And then hit Next. So again, you can see here that it hasn't selected everything in the picture that I want to keep. So you'll just go in and drag a line across. Perfect. So once you have everything selected, you'll just hit Done. Then from there, I'm going to select the canvas and delete it. Then I'll right click, select Canvas Options, turn off Show Canvas. And this is our PNG. So from here, we'll just go to Menu, Save As, Image. Make sure that transparency is selected. And here's your PNG. You'll just hit Save. Make sure you give it a title. And hit Save. So there you have it, 3 different easy, quick ways that you're able to remove a background from an image essentially for free. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Bye, loves.